Okay students, shall we design a poster using GIMP software? To open GIMP software, click on Application, Graphics, GNU Image Manipulation Program. Application, Graphics, GNU Image Manipulation Program. GIMP application opened. Then to create a new canvas, click on File menu, New option. File menu, New option. Create a new dialog box appears. Change the image size using width and height boxes. Change the width into 700 and height into 800. The image size is in pixels. Then after changing the width and height, click on OK button. This is our canvas. Then change the background color of the canvas using foreground and background tool. This is the foreground and background tool. Using this tool, change the foreground color and background color. Foreground color, then select a background color. Then using blend tool to apply background color to the canvas using blend tool. This is the blend tool. Click on the blend tool, then move the mouse pointer into the canvas area, then drag the mouse downwards. Click and drag the mouse downwards. The background color applied to the canvas. Then arrange pictures on the canvas. To open pictures on the canvas, click on File menu, Open option. Open image dialog box appears. Select the image from the destination folder. Select the folders and select a logo. Select the image, then click on Open option. The image opened. Then to create a duplicate copy of this image, click on Image menu, then select Duplicate option. Untitled document created. This is the duplicate image. Then close the original image. Original image closed. Then this is the duplicate image. Using the Select by Color tool. This is the Select by Color tool. Using this tool, select the white colored area of the image. Click on the Select by Color tool, then click on the white colored area. The white colored area have been selected. Then click on Edit menu, Copy option. Edit menu, Copy option. Then minimize the image window. Then click on Edit menu, then Paste option. Edit, Paste. To see layer palette, maximize the window and click on Windows option. Recently closed docs, select layers, channels, paths, etc. Layer brush palette opened. Look at the layer palette. This is the layer palette. There is a floating selection. This is the pasted layer. Floating selection is the pasted layer. Then click on the anchor tool in the layer palette. Anchor tool. Anchor the floating layer. The picture pasted on the canvas. We can't move the picture, move or edit the picture because The background move along with the picture. The background move along with the picture. This is the move tool. Click on the move tool and select the image. But the background move along with the picture. To avoid this problem, to skip the last action and go back to an earlier action. Click on Edit menu, Undo option. Repeat the undo action 2 or 3 times. Now the logo disappeared from the poster. Then paste the copied image on the canvas of the poster. Again paste the copied image on the canvas of the poster. Click on Edit menu, Paste option. Now the logo pasted to the canvas. Then click on Layer menu. Select the option to New Layer. Now a new layer created. Look here. Look on here the layer palette. There is a new layer named Pasted Layer. To change its name, right click on the layer, then click on Edit Layer Attributes. Change the name of the layer into Logo. Then click on OK button. Then using Move tool, move the layer to the appropriate position. Now the selection is in the layer image layer logo. Then select the layer background. Just click on the background layer. Now the background layer selected. Then place a logo in the poster. How can we place a logo in the poster? Click on the File menu, Create option, Logos. There are so many designs for logos. Select 3D outline. Type the text in the text area. Here, say no to child labor. Say no to child labor. Say no to child labor. This is our logo. Say no to child labor. Then click on OK button. Then copy this logo to the poster. Listen here. Just look at the layer palette. There are 3 layers. To remove the background of this layer, click on the eye symbol. Just click on that eye symbol. The background, white colored background removed from the logo. Then click on Edit menu, Copy Visible. Edit menu, Copy Visible. Then minimize this logo window. Then click on Edit menu, Paste. Again Layer menu to New Layer. Paste the logo layer into new layer. The another pasted layer created. To change its name, right click on the poster layer, then Edit Layer Attributes. Type the layer name. Logo 1. Logo 1. Then click on OK button. Then change the size of the logo using Scale tool. Click on the Scale tool from the toolbox. This is the Scale tool. This is the Scale tool. Click on the Scale tool. Then click on the layer Logo 1. Then change the width and height of the layer. Width and height. Then scale. Move the layer to the top of the layer to the top of the poster. Move the layer to the top of the poster. Then paste another image to the canvas. Select the layer palette using Move tool. Then click on background layer. Now the background layer is selected. Open another image using File menu, Open option. Select a new image. Select a new image. Select a new image. Okay. This image 1.png. Click on Open option. Now create its duplicate using Image menu, Duplicate option. Duplicate image created, then close the original image. Using Select by Color tool. This is the Select by Color tool. Using Select by Color tool, select the image, the black part of the image. Click on the black part of the image, the black area selected. Then click on Edit menu, Copy. Then minimize this window. Then go to Poster. Click on Edit menu, Paste option. Now the layer pasted. Then click on Layer menu to New layer. A new layer appears. Then change its name using right click and edit layer attributes. Type a new name, Children. Then click on OK button. And scale the image using Scale tool. Click on the Scale tool from the toolbox. Then select the layer Children. Click on the layer. Then change its width and height. Reduce its width and height using Width and Height box. Then click on Scale button. Then move the image to the appropriate position using Move tool. Again change its size. Reduce its size using Scale tool. Then reduce its width and height. Reduce its width and height. Then click on Scale button. Again using Move tool, move the layer to the position and type a text in the image. Click on the text tool from the toolbox. Type the text. World Day Against Child Labor. To change the size of the text, select the text. and change the size using font size box. Suppose you have to separate only a part of the picture and include it in the poster. How will you do it? Before that, we have to change the layer position. Layer selection. Now, the text World Day Against Child Labor is selected. Now, select the background layer. Then click on File menu. Select Open option. Open dialog box appears. Select the file from the destination folder. Select the cartoon.jpg file. Click on Open. The file opened. How can we select a part of this image? By using Path tool. This is the Path tool. Before that, we have to create its duplicate. Image menu, duplicate option. Duplicate image created. Now close the original image. Then select a part from this image by using Path tool. Click on Path tool from toolbox and select each part of the image. Selected carefully. Path tool is used to select a part from an image. Select the each part using Path tool. Do it carefully. Each part selected. Then click on Control button from the menu bar. Then select menu from Path option. Using Control button and select menu from Path option. Click on From Path. Now a moving selection will be displayed on the part of the image. Then click on the Copy option from the Edit menu. Then go to Poster. Click on Edit menu, Paste option. Click on Layer menu, then to New Layer option. Now a new layer created. Change its name by using Edit Layer Attributes. Change the name into Cartoon. Then click on OK button. Change its size using Scale menu. Using Scale menu. Click on Scale menu and select the logo cartoon and reduce the width and height of the layer. Width and height of the layer. Then click on Scale button. Using Move tool, change the position of the layer. Change its position. Then select the layer logo. Select the layer logo using Move tool. Change the position of the layer logo. Change the position of the layer logo. Then again select cartoon layer. Then change the position of the cartoon layer. To reduce the size of the layer logo, select the layer and select scale tool. Then reduce the height and width of the layer. Then adjust the position of the layer cartoon using move tool. Adjust its position. And then type a text June 12th. Select the background layer. Then select text tool. Click on the canvas. Then change the font color. Change the font color. Select a color from the color palette. Then click on OK button. Type the text June 12th. June 12th. Then change its size using text tool. Select the text. Then change its size. Change its size. Then in the layer palette, select the text June 12th and using move tool, change its position. How can we change the picture clarity? Select a picture layer. Select the layer children. Then click on colors menu. Select brightness and contrast. Brightness, contrast. Brightness contrast dialog box appears. Click and drag the brightness and contrast. Brightness and contrast. Then click on OK button. Now we can change the brightness and contrast of the image or the layer children. Now we have almost finished the poster. To save this poster, click on File menu, then Save As option. Type a name to the file. Type a name poster. Then select the destination folder. Destination folder, desktop. Then click on Save button. The file saved in the desktop as name poster. You have learned how to export a file in GIMP. To export this file GIMP, click on File menu, then Export as option. File menu, Export as option. Then poster 1.jpg. Poster 1.jpg and change the file type, file format into JPG image. Then click on Export button. Export image as JPG dialog box appears. Again click Export. Students, look at the screen. The poster creation completed. I hope you understand to create a poster using GIMP.